Hey girl, hey, your favorite shopaholic is back. So I went to Target today with my oldest out of 5. Yes, we got 5 kids, y'all. And we found some costumes. The costumes will be on sale for 40% off on this Saturday. I'm showing you guys what we picked up. We got 2 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle costumes. I believe we got Leonardo, 2 different weapons, but my son already grabbed the other weapon and he was playing with it. We got 2 unicorn fairy outfits, one for my oldest and one for my youngest. These are so cute. They're not only going to be warm on Halloween, but they also can wear these as pajamas around the house and just look adorable. And last but not least, for our baby boy, we ended up getting a dinosaur. I was a little disappointed because I really wanted him to be matching with his older brothers wearing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, but I couldn't find one in his size. Still might try Amazon for that though. The manager at Target was kind enough to give me the 40% off, so I got all 5 of these costumes and 2 accessories for $84. And that's a win in my book. Also grab some pumpkin carving supplies because we will be heading to the pumpkin patch over the weekend and we'll be carving pumpkins when we come home. And is it even a Target trip if you don't check the clearance section? $2 skirts for baby girl, yes please. And in case you didn't know, Cat and Jack baby clothes can be returned to Target up to 365 days later with the receipt. Comment Halloween and I'll DM you links to everything in the video.